everybody, today we have double unboxing, so let's just get started. So this first item is a vintage Gucci bag that I ordered through a Japanese consignment store, DCT Vintage. I absolutely love DCT Vintage, and if you're looking for a vintage bag, I highly recommend them. The price is very reasonable and the conditions are usually really great. So let's just go ahead and open this. I was looking for a everyday bag that I can just kind of toss around without having to baby. So I found this. It was on sale. Plus I used the discount code, so it was very reasonable price. Okay, let's put this aside and open this plastic bag. And then there's another bag here. Oh, nice. Yeah, I was looking for a low-key bag that I can use every day. It's in excellent condition. So you can see it's says Gucci right there. The leather is in excellent condition. It's canvas bag. You can barely see the Gucci print, GG print. So that's why I chose this, because I wanted something low-key that I can use every day. So the size is perfect to carry my everyday essential. Let's open this. The inside is very clean. So you can see Gucci right there. There's one pocket. This is perfect for like my day-to-day casual outfit. I'm like surprised how clean and good condition this is. I mean, I guess there's like a small stain right here, but I'm pretty sure I can just rub it off. It's not a big deal. There's a little bit of like musky smell. I can just get rid of that using the charcoal odor remover. There's like one small pocket. This is a vintage bag. Honestly, I don't know how old this bag is. So this is probably a cell phone pocket, because cell phone used to be like those like really small flip phone. So that's probably a cell phone pocket. I can probably use it for like putting my lip product and stuff like that. So okay, so the second package is this one that I ordered from a different my dog is sniffing because they're wondering what this is. So I ordered this from a different Japanese consignment store. Ooh, I'm so excited. I was kind of debating whether I should get this or not. So it came all folded up. You can see how tiny this is. You can kind of see what this is, right? So it's, oh my god, it is so tiny. Oh, how cute. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. So this is Mini Speedy HL. You know how Nano Speedy is like all the rage right now. And let's see, the inside looks pretty clean. Kind of has that like musky smell. So I'm gonna have to like put in like charcoal odor absorber or something. Looks like it's in great condition for a bag that is, let's see the date code. This is made in France. Date code. Where is the date code? Oh, here we go. So this was made in 1994. So this bag is 26 years old, coming to be 27 years old, you guys. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's take a closer look at these bags. So this one, I couldn't initially find the serial number on this bag, but I found it. So it's actually here. So it says Gucci, and then the serial number is on the back here, on the back side. So anyway, so let's see what fits in this bag. So these days I have been using this Toiletry Pouch 26 as my crossbody bag. So this is packed. So let's take everything out from this bag here. It's my sunglasses. Let's put this over here. And then my wallet, my 6 key holder, some napkin, my card holder, my Chanel Chance perfume, and lip gloss, and AirPod. Oh, and one more. There's this pouch that I carry. So let's see. I mean, I think there is no doubt that all of these are gonna fit into this bag. Let's try. It's pretty spacious, so I can just like throw everything in there, and then I'll put these two in this pocket there, and then maybe AirPod in this pocket too. Yep. And definitely more can fit in here. I can probably put in like pouch like so, but I don't want to do that. The zipper is smooth. There's this little tab. The tab is a little bit small at the end of the zipper, so that's a little bit inconvenient, but that's okay. I just wanted a bag that I can just throw around, and something that I didn't have to baby, so this fits the bill. So I'm very happy with this bag. I adjusted the straps so you can wear it as a crossbody bag, so I'm very happy with this. So let's see what fits in. Throw everything back on the floor. Let's see what fits in this Speedy Mini HL. Obviously not all of these are gonna fit, but we'll see. These two are not going to fit. There's no question about that, because obviously it's bigger. So this, let's forget this two. My wallet fits in here. My 6 key holder that fits in, and my card holder that fits. Wow. And then my AirPod, and then this two, no problem. Will napkin fit in here? If I shove it in there, wow, that fits. Is it gonna close? Oh, it's not gonna close. So let's take the napkin out. But all this fit in this tiny little bag. That is impressive. Wow. Let's take out everything that I put it in here to kind of show you how much this can hold. All this fit in here. Let's take this away. All this fit in this tiny little bag. That is impressive, isn't it? Wow. Anyway, yeah, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll do my best to answer every questions you have. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.